Diversity of thought and people, empowering women, humanity, supporting the arts, truth, because it's Salamander, we're real. And just like me, we're all about honesty and passion. You see, people can not only sense honesty and passion, they gravitate toward it. They try to get as close to it as possible in the hopes that they can, just maybe, warm their hands on it.
Why do we travel? Because we want to rejuvenate, to restore a balance, to forge a deeper connection with this amazing world. We admire the honest, the genuine, the truly inspired. We seek to understand and to be understood, to accept and to be accepted, to know that we belong as if we were family. Because when we feel included, we feel comfortable and can be our true selves. This is the promise of the Salamander Collection. Welcome to our world.